Hi, my name is Omkar Jadhav, 12th standard, Economics. Supply analysis. Definition of supply. According to Paul Samuelson, supply refers to market prices and price of goods amount produced or willingly to supply. There are two types of schedule: individual demand schedule and market demand schedule. They are both related with the concept of law of demand. Law of demand. Introduction. Law of demand was introduced by Professor Alfred Marshall in his book Principle of Economics, published in 1890. Statement of law: other things being constant, higher the price of the commodity, more is the quantity supplied. Lower the price of the commodity, less is the quantity supplied. Symbolically, S of x is equal to function of P of x, whereas S is equal to supply, x is equal to commodity, f is equal to function, P is equal to price of commodity. Individual supply schedule. Price of commodity x in rupees per kgs, supply of commodity x in kgs. When the price of commodity is less, supply of commodity is also less. When the price of commodity is more, supply of commodity is also more. Individual supply curve. पहिलाची हलकीशी लाईन ड्रॉ करून द्या. When the price of commodity is 10, supply of commodity is 100. The line should be drawn like this. When the price of commodity is 20, supply of commodity is 200. When the price of commodity is 30, supply of commodity is 300. When the price of commodity is 40, supply of commodity is 400. When the price of commodity is highest, supply of commodity is also highest. Join the points. SS is individual supply curve. SS slopes upward from left to right, indicates direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. Market supply schedule. Market supply schedule represent a tabular representation of various commodities supplied by various sellers like A, B, C. Price of commodity of selling price is different for every seller. Add ABC for market supply in kgs. X-axis represent quantity supplied in kgs, while y-axis represent price in rupees. Take 1 centimeter gap. Quantity supplied 300, 600, 900, 1200, 1500, 1800. Price in rupees 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Price of commodities 10, supplied is 600. 10, 600. Make line. When the price of commodity is 20, supplied is 900. 900, 20, 1200, 30. 1540. $1850. Make dots. Draw a line. Name it as SS. SS is market supply curve. SS slopes upward from left to right, indicates direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. Variation in supply. Variation in supply means changes in quantity supplied due to changes in price. Expansion of supply. Price increases as well as supply increases. Couldn't start. Price increases as well as supply increases. This is original supply quantity. Price increases from P to P1. Due to increase in price, quantity also increases. M N S SS is supply curve. M moves to N to upward direction. On same SS curve. It is known as expansion of supply. Contraction of supply. Contraction of supply means decrease in price, also decrease in supply. PQ. This is original supply quantity. Due to decrease in price, there is decrease in quantity. P decreases to P1, Q decreases to Q1. M moves to N in downward direction on the same supply curve. SS is supply curve. It is known as contraction of supply. Changes in supply. Changes in supply means constant of price and changes in supply. Increase in supply means increase in supply but price is constant. Price is constant. When quantity is increased to Q to Q1. P is constant. SS is supply curve. S1 is new supply curve. SS shift to right side to S1, indicating increase in supply. Decrease in supply means price is constant, decrease in supply. When quantity is decreases from Q to Q1, but price is constant. SS. SS is original supply curve. S2 is new supply curve. SS shifts inward to left side. S22 indicating decrease in supply. Thank you.